Glass Expansion has 4 decades of experience manufacturing sample introduction components for ICP-OES and ICP-MS instruments, and during this time we've earned a worldwide reputation for quality and reliability. Continuing this tradition, we are pleased to announce the release of our time-of-flight ICP Mass Spec product line. In this short presentation, we will introduce Glass Expansion's product line. Before I get started, I would like to briefly introduce Glass Expansion, in case some of our audience are not familiar with our company. As I mentioned already, Glass Expansion is an international supplier with 4 decades of experience in manufacturing ICP-OES and ICP Mass Spec sample introduction components. Our products are made in-house in our world-class manufacturing facilities to our exacting standards. Many of these designs are supplied as standard equipment on several instruments because of their reproducibility, longer lifetime, and dependability. We manufacture and supply quartz torches, RF coils, nebulizers, spray chambers, paraceltic pump tubing, interface cones, and productivity accessories. We supply all of these products for all ICP-OES and ICP-MS models. We can now add time-of-flight ICP Mass Spec to our repertoire. All Glass Expansion products are tested and evaluated with a variety of applications, either within our own R&D lab or at customer sites across the globe, before they are made available for sale. All of our products are guaranteed to either meet or exceed OEM specifications. And with our warranty policy, you have our guarantee. The value of customer support is just as important as the quality of your consumables. Glass Expansion has built an enviable reputation for excellent customer service. We have several experienced application scientists and several ICP, OES, and ICP-MS instruments within our own R&D laboratory, in addition to a wealth of resources and application notes on our website. And for those of you working in a U.S. government laboratory, Glass Expansion Inc. was awarded a GSA contract number in 2019 to help expand our support to the U.S. government laboratories. Glass Expansion is proud to be the first and only cone manufacturer with the required technology and equipment to produce the full range of interface cones entirely in-house. Glass Expansion's manufacturing capabilities for these include CNC machining, precision grinding, electron beam welding, and electrolysis nickel plating. This results in our company being able to maintain the highest level of precision, quality, and reliability standards. We are now able to offer our line of high-quality cones for the time-of-flight ICP Mass and invite you to take advantage of our no-risk guarantee. All Glass Expansion concentric nebulizer designs feature our unique vitrocone capillary construction, delivering you the best possible manufacturing precision. Glass Expansion is the only manufacturer that takes thick-walled constant bore tubing and machines the outside to a uniform aerodynamic shape. This guarantees a uniform sample channel, assuring tolerance to high matrix samples and perfect reproducibility. We have applied this technology along with over 30 years of nebulizer design expertise to develop a version of our popular micromist nebulizer specifically for single-cell applications. The benefits of Glass Expansion's high-efficiency single-cell nebulizer include superb transport efficiency at low sample uptake rates to ensure individual intact cells are transported into the plasma for measurement. Constant diameter, large bore sample channel minimizes blockages from sample buildup commonly experienced with biological samples. A rigid precision machine thick-walled glass sample capillary gives the best analytical precision by resisting harmonic vibrations from high linear velocity of the surrounding argon gas. And lastly, our inert metal-free direct connect gas line fittings with ratchet mechanism give reliable, reproducible, leak-free argon connections. Now let's briefly examine the unique qualities of Glass Expansion's nebulizer design. All glass concentric nebulizers from Glass Expansion feature the unique vitrocone sample capillary. Non-Glass Expansion designs typically use a hand-drawn glass sample capillary, as shown below. With hand-drawn sample capillaries, the internal diameter can vary, preventing a laminar nebulizer flow and creating points where particulates may lodge. The glass expansion vitrocone sample capillary, on contrast, is entirely different. It is machined from a thick-walled glass capillary, providing a highly reproducible geometry and constant internal diameter, from sample inlet to tip. In combination with our high-pressure sample connection kit, which we'll detail in a slide later, this provides a zero dead volume sample connection. The tightest manufacturing tolerances possible with the machined vitrocone sample capillary ensure consistent analytical performance from one nebulizer to the next, saving the laboratory valuable time. Here's an example of our high-efficiency single-cell nebulizer installed on the Helios time-of-flight ICP mass spec. The high-pressure zero dead volume connection kit easily interfaces with the existing grounding connection, and our direct connect gas line replaces the original Helios gas line with a direct connection to the nebulizer gas supply and a more reliable ratcheted seal to the nebulizer. With proper maintenance, you can prolong the lifetime of your nebulizers. To keep your nebulizer in good condition, always start and finish a run by nebulizing a mildly acidic blank solution followed by deionized water for several minutes. This ensures that the sample deposits or crystals do not form inside of the nebulizer when the solvent dries out, which can deteriorate the performance and shorten the lifetime of the nebulizer. Nebulizing a cleaning solution at the start and end of each day will also clean your spray chamber. To safely remove a blockage from a glass expansion nebulizer, use our convenient ELUO nebulizer cleaning tool and follow the cleaning procedure to safely backflush your nebulizer. We have found that using a dilute concentration of Fluca RBS 25 is the best cleaning solution for inorganics. Stubborn clogs may require an overnight soak or additional cleaning with nitric acid. Methanol can be used after flushing with DI water to help speed the drying process. Methanol or water alone is not a sufficient cleaning solution. As we all know, the sample uptake rate is a critical nebulizer parameter, one that affects both the magnitude and precision of the analytical signal. Glass Expansion's TRUFLO accessory allows you to monitor the nebulizer liquid flow rate in real time, enabling you to quickly diagnose a nebulizer blockage and check and confirm syringe flow rates. This particular nebulizer accessory can help you diagnose nebulizer issues before analysis is started and the validity of your results are jeopardized. The graph shown here demonstrates the application of alarm limits. Once the flow rate falls outside of the preset acceptable range, an audible and visible alarm occurs, alerting the operator to a problem immediately. Just like our concentric glass nebulizers, Glass Expansion has been manufacturing quartz torches and replacement ICP glassware for 4 decades. You have our guarantee of precision construction and dimensional accuracy so that you can achieve optimum performance with our torch and injector options to suit the Fluidigm ICP mass spec. We also hold a large inventory of stock for fast delivery around the world. Glass Expansion RF coils are produced from the highest quality and purity raw materials and plated using proprietary methods to obtain maximum RF transmission efficiency. Advantages of Glass Expansion RF coils include high purity and consistent plating to promote and extend coil life. Each coil is supplied on a plastic former, ensuring correct dimensions are maintained and allowing easier installation. These formers can be used to periodically check the coil dimensions, so it is a good idea to keep the former even after coil installation. Each coil is supplied in a special protective container to ensure correct dimensions are maintained and that the coil arrives corrosion-free. Correct alignment of the coil with respect to the torch body reduces devitrification of the outer tube and ensures the plasma is concentric within the torch, allowing for sample aerosol to travel correctly through the plasma. Thank you all for your interest in our product line to suit the Fluidigm Helios mass spec. Be sure to check our website regularly for additions to this new product line for Glass Expansion. If you have any questions or are interested in receiving a quote, you can contact one of our 3 offices directly. Here you will find the contact information, phone number, and email address of each of our 3 offices. We also have a global distribution network that can be found on the Glass Expansion website. Thank you again for your attention. We look forward to working with you.